Shelley and Sabin in their second match in WWE. They're in line for a tag team title match.
Welcome to SmackDown, Motor City Machine Guns.
Impressive performance here tonight in Brooklyn on Friday Night SmackDown for Shelley and Sabin. Solo and the Tongans. Hey, Motor City Machine Guns. Welcome to the show, guys. The Bloodline's here.
It's not going down here tonight.
We're good. We're all right. It's okay. Nick, there's no problem here. Brooklyn, shut your mouth. I just wanted to come out here and introduce ourselves to the #1 contenders. But I said, Brooklyn, shut your mouth. Before I get started, Brooklyn, New York. Acknowledge me. Motor City, welcome to SmackDown. Meet the Bloodline. And I am your tribal chief.
Well, it's an honor to meet you, Mr. Tribal Chief, and since we're doing introductions, allow me to introduce us. I'm Chris Sabin, and this is Alex Shelley, the Motor City Machine Guns, now the #1 contenders for those WWE Tag Team Championships. And we're always ready, so whenever you're ready to hand those championships over, just let us know. Any place, any time.
Any place, any time. Oh, that's funny. Okay. Any place, any time, huh? Well, since you two came to SmackDown and you want to make an impact for yourself, how about a tag team title match right here, right now in Brooklyn?
These men have fought, they've sacrificed, they've given everything to this business for 20 years, and I will be damned if I'm going to stand by and let them get their earned, fair WWE Tag Team title shot when they're anything less than 100%.
No. Nick, stop. We've known you a long time. You know more than anyone else what we've put into this industry. Those belts, those tag team titles, those are the most important championships on this planet to us. So if they want to do it right here, right now, then you got us. Let's do it. Give us our title shot right now.
This is what you want. 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 They give me a referee out here, and let's do this right now.
Corey, I don't know how smart this is for
I hate
Shelley
it,
and
Cole.
Sabin.
I hate everything about it. I understand it. I understand the heart and the passion of Sabin and Shelley, but this is career suicide. Maybe the machine guns are blinded by the bright lights. Maybe it's the atmosphere in Barclays Center, but this is not a smart decision.
They just went through a grueling match with Gargano and Ciampa. Now they have to take on Tama Tonga, Tonga Loa, the tag team champions from the Bloodline. You're playing with the Sharks now, boys, and here we go. Matchup underway for the tag team titles.
Well-rested, level-headed Sharks. Tama Tonga, Tonga Loa have picked their spot. They are calling the shots in this situation.
And now sent outside the ring, and now Shelley and Sabin, baseball slides.
But don't expect to see anything resembling quit from these two, but
Oh, and then taking them out as the Bloodline, who've taken over tag team titles up for grabs.
is it?
Is he here? That's the music of Roman Reigns. And he is! The OTC is here! Roman Reigns, Superman punch to Fatu! Reigns and Jimmy, left lying by the Bloodline last week, have come for revenge tonight!
The OTC and Jimmy Uso neutralizing Jacob Fatu and Solo Sikoa, but we still have a tag team title match underway right now.
Tama Tonga, Tonga Loa defending against the Motor City Machine Guns as Roman and Fatu and Solo and Jimmy Uso fight out of the Barclays Center.
A turn of events I don't think the Motor City Machine Guns could have predicted in their wildest dreams.
Tag made. Alex Shelley makes the tag to Chris Sabin. And Sabin now in the matchup, going after Tama Tonga. This is for the tag team gold here tonight in our main event.
If nothing else, for the moment, the numbers game has subsided. It is even. It is 2-on-2. Standard tag team fair. Sabin with the missile drop kick.
And Sabin now regaining control of the matchup, looking to win tag team gold in just their second match in WWE, their third match in WWE. However, the referee, Jason Ayers, knocked down, and there's a spine buster by Loa.
It's just a different world. No matter how much success you've had around the world, WWE is a different entity. This is the major league. This is the best of the best.
And the thing is, Corey, the official's been knocked down. So now the Tongans can use the steel chairs to their advantage and take out Motor City Machine Guns. Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, look at the eyes.
I'm looking at the eyes. Super kick.
You know damn well who that is, Cole.
I know it. I'm looking at his eyes.
Tonga Loa launched into our laps.
Tama Tonga realizes it too.
They know.
Main event is here. Unloading on Tama Tonga. Spare! Spare!
Scream it with me, Cole.
Jey Uso back in the fold. Payback time against the men who cost him the Intercontinental titles on Raw Monday night. And now the Motor City Machine Guns. Up top, down they go. Here's the cover. They did it! They did it!
Here are your winners and the new WWE Tag Team Champions, the Motor City Machine Guns!
I can't believe it! Shelley and Sabin, in just their third match in WWE, used the Skull and Bones to knock off the Bloodline and win the tag team title.
That wasn't just improbable, Cole. We just witnessed the impossible. The Motor City Machine Guns, with a little help from the